Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the lymphatic drainage facial massage technique that I use nightly on my skin. Especially during quarantine right now, it's a really nice way to help self-care yourself, prep yourself for some relaxation, and also treat your skin at the same time since you can't be seeing your estheticians for your routinely facials. So with this, it's super easy and super quick to do. I use a jojoba oil as a base, and then I put a couple drops of lavender essential oil. Now the good use of lymphatic drainage is that it's going to help clear your lymph nodes, which helps release toxins that are built up underneath the skin. As well, this is going to be great for helping achieve a glowing skin complexion. Helps with acne. You can even, instead of lavender essential oil, do tea tree oil, and this will actually help combat any acneic problems that you may have. It's great for preventing wrinkles and aging process of the skin because it will help with your cell renewal and cell turnover for the skin. So I just really adapted to doing this nightly, and it doesn't take any time at all. So let's just jump right in and I'll show you the steps that I use. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick little video. As I said, it's a couple quick steps that you can incorporate into your skincare, but they will have amazing benefits for your skin in the long run and in the short term as well. So I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care.